Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 26th, our word of the day is foible. F-O-I-B-L-E. Foible. Foible is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Foible means a strange habit or characteristic that is seen as not important and not harming anyone. Similar words include flaw, imperfection, blemish, fault, frailty, infirmity, limitation, defect, demerit, dereliction, failing. Examples of sentences using foible are: his father's foibles did not prevent his son from loving and honoring him. We all have our little foibles. Character faults and foibles surface slowly and are dealt with compassionately. Brown was fascinated by people's quirks and foibles. We have to tolerate each other's little foibles. Talking too much is one of his foibles. Make sure to save this new word, foible, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.